Hey everybody, welcome back to another laundromat review video. Today we're going to be checking out a laundromat in Baltimore that claims to be the world's cleanest laundromat. So let's check this place out and see what's going on. Alright, so the Laundry City in Baltimore has two locations. We're going to just check out one location for the sake of this video, but let's see the one on Frederick Avenue. Let's check out their website first though. What's going on in this? There's no sound or anything coming out, but looks like free drying. Oh wow, look at all these washers, all Electrolux. They got the mirrors up top to make the place look bigger. That's cool. They got pipes coming up. Looks like a pretty decent place to fold your clothes. How do I get out of here? Oh. This is what I like. When I go to the website, see a ton of pictures. I know exactly what's going to go on. Oh wow, look at this kid zone. Real big kid zone. Got glass panels down here so you can see the kids. Not much to do in the kid zone, but this looks like a hotel lobby almost. That's really cool. All right, area server service. Let's go check out services. Pickup and delivery service, wash and fold. Let's see some videos. Let's see what's loading up here. Ton of YouTube videos. This website's got it going on. Maryland's only 5-star laundromat, which is weird because it's rated about 4.1 on Google. 4.2. Huh. Let's see what the current specials are. Two comforters for $40. Huh. All right, let's check out the reviews. Are there pictures on Google? And then we'll check out the reviews after. So it looks like there's a spa inside the laundromat or in the same building as the laundromat. The outside looks awesome. Real big. They ain't messing around. Oh, here. The kids' area. They got more mats laying around. No toys, but definitely a cool area. Throw your kids in there and don't have to worry about them. Electrolux. This is missing a door. That's probably why they took a picture of it. Looks like a lot of world leaders, a place to charge your phones. Somebody in a dryer. Wow, look at this place. This place is huge. It's like 6,000, 7,000 square feet. Holy cow. World's cleanest laundromat. That's how they hail themselves. But look at this place. This place is huge. Love it. Alright, so they got a bill buster, so bill breaker. Then they have 2 card, put money in the cards, exchanger it's called. I don't know what software it is. So the machines don't take coins. Let's look at another machine, we'll find out. Ton of space to sit and relax, so that's awesome. Okay, that looks like all the photos. Not a lot of photos for a huge laundromat. Yeah, there's no coins on any of these, all card readers. See the street view. Wow, this laundromat's got it going on. Right in a kind of a strange neighborhood, but yeah, they got the salon right in there. So I don't know if it's a different building or what, but ATM. I'm really digging this outside. This is probably the nicest outside I've ever seen for a laundromat, for a standalone building. They definitely had a vision and made it come true. Like, this is awesome. All right, let's check out the reviews. On the sign it says Maryland's only 5-star laundromat. It's got about a 4.2, which is not even close to the highest reviewed laundromat I've seen. So let's see what people are disliking about it. Let me get out of this view, go back to reviews. This might also have the most reviews I've ever seen on a laundromat. They've had like 600 reviews, so. Loading, loading, loading. Let's see what's going on. Okay, first one, traveling from Arizona. 5-star view. Dryer's never working. Let's see some of these pictures. Air, no vacuum. Okay, she's saying the dryers don't work and it's dirty. Let's see what everybody else has to say. Five star. It gets busy. Sometimes you can't find carts. Okay, here's a terrible experience. So two people within the last couple months saying that the attendance unprofessional, dryer's not working. So maybe that's time for get the repairman in there. Good. Oh, they were closed. That's weird. The place used to be well kept and clean after it first opened, but it's gone down a lot. The staff seem overwhelmed and frustrated. 4-star, 1-star. One star. Huh. Another one saying that this place was awesome when it first opened, but it's going downhill. Clean, but the tenant's rude. Horrible experience. 2 stars. The other location's better. Water pressure's terrible. You can get a pump and pump the water pressure up. Always an issue with the dryers. 15 tags on it. ATM's broken as well. Staff never helps. Huh. I wonder if this is a problem with the management, or they started this location and opened a second location and got overwhelmed. I wonder when the first review is. I don't think we can search by that. You know, as your machines get older, they're going to break more and more. It might be time for a retool for this store. First and last time. Very dirty floors in restaurants, dryers don't work properly. Oh, jeez. 4 years ago. Problem with the washer. I don't know how old the store is, but looks like they get a lot of problems. Holy cow. 0 stars. Smelling burnt like the dryer. Huh. Owner was truly disrespectful. I'll never return here. They lost my laundry. 99 cents for 10 minutes. So $1 for 10 minutes, that's, you get 2.5 minutes for a quarter. That's really expensive. Bad customer service. Usually if you got a couple of bad reviews sprinkled in, you know, that's expected, but there's a lot of bad things people are saying about this place. Definitely is probably a management problem. Free drying is all a lie. The whole Laundry City is a scam. Don't fall for it. Huh. Very interesting, these reviews. I thought this place looked awesome on the outside, but the reviews are telling a little bit different story. If you guys have ever been to this location, leave me a comment down below. And thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.